Cooking a piece of salmon, salt only, no pepper. Pepper's a spice, and if you use pepper, it burns. A lot of butter, a little bit of oil, a little bit of thyme, and then the salmon, straight in. So the first 30 seconds, I'm going to hold it down there so it doesn't curl up. A little bit of pressure, keep it down. On the salmon, it's coming up, it's getting whiter, nearly halfway there. You can see it's cooked. Yeah, look at that. We'll leave that for another 3 to 4 minutes and we'll serve it medium rare. For me, a piece of lemon, all we need. Perfect piece of salmon.